For as long as I can remember, I've been infinitely curious about the world around me. Through reading the poems of Mary Oliver, I connected to her call for all of us to pay attention to and be inspired by the natural world. And that call beckons to me from all the corners of my world now, everywhere I go and everywhere I want to explore. Inaudible whispers of "notice me" echo around me from the stained glass windows, red brick, and hidden gargoyles of cities close by, to the green pastures, deep jungles, and sandy beaches in other parts of the world. I love exploring new places, learning about new cultures, experiencing the story and passion of the people that make different communities unique from one another. Paying attention to my surroundings is one of the greatest joys I found in making the most of my one wild and precious life. The joy that comes from allowing my curiosity to wander, and the immense gratitude that comes from taking in the world with a sense of wonder are calls that always excite my spirit. Like most adventurers, I would love to spend my days filling my passport with stamps and my heart with travel memories. And we're excited to share some of our Wonderstruck travels with you here in a new series. But most of the time, my wandering doesn't extend more than a few miles from my own front door. The joy for me in living a Wonderstruck life is that I get to be a tourist in my own town. I choose to keep a sense of wonder in my everyday wandering, and I'm always thrilled to discover new places and stories and wonders await us, no matter how near or far we roam. We're excited to have you wander with us here at home and to farther corners of the world. We'll show you the people and places, foods, shops, and faces that left us wonderstruck in all the places. Wander often, wonder always. Hope you're making the most of your one wild and precious now.
You're a boss. A lady boss.